Imagine turning your kitchen into a personal ice cream shop with the Ninja CREAMi Swirl. This advanced 13-in-1 frozen treat maker lets you create ice cream, soft serve, sorbet, gelato, and more, all from the comfort of home. Whether you love classic scoops or creamy soft serve swirls, this machine gives you full control over flavors and ingredients. With 6 new soft serve programs, you can enjoy endless frozen fun. Customize your treats with low sugar, vegan, or high protein options, making it perfect for healthy and indulgent desserts alike. The CREAMi feature is ideal for creating low-calorie, high-protein treats in just one spin. Perfect for fitness enthusiasts. Want extra texture? Mix in your favorite chocolates, nuts, or candy for unique, delicious flavors. Designed for convenience, the BPA-free parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. Plus, the 3-speed soft serve handle adds an interactive touch, making it a fantastic family-friendly experience. The package includes everything you need: a motor base, multiple pints with lids, a paddle, a drip tray, and a recipe guide to inspire your creations. With the Ninja CREAMi Swirl, you're not just making ice cream, you're making memories. Bring home the fun and enjoy endless delicious possibilities. Find the product link in the description.